Tuba, thank you so much for this update. Now, just take us through the court proceedings today.
Thank you so much, Dumelo. It was a very brief and short proceedings at the Scottburgh Magistrate Court, where the High Court was sitting. The suspects just came in. 3 of the 4 accused, their legal representative didn't show up in court. But anyway, the date today, it was just for the confirmation of the postponement of the matter to the 14th of April next year. We understand, Dumelo, that the case has been going on for a very long time. If you remember that back in March, where initially 6 suspects were arrested, that include the former Herigwala mayor Mluleki Ndobe and the Umzimkhulu municipal manager Zweli Phansi Skhosana, whose charges were later withdrawn. So today, nothing really happened except that they announced the date that the trial is then expected to run from the 14th of April up until the 15th of May next year.
Now, Tuba, the ANC not so happy with that postponement?
Absolutely, they're not happy. Even the people that were in court are not so happy. You'll remember that the case has been going on for a very long time, and it's the family, they are saying that especially they need closure in this matter, and including the ANC, as we understand that Magaqa was a very instrumental within the ranks of the ANC, being a councillor in that municipality in the southern of KwaZulu-Natal. He was very instrumental in raising issues of corruption in that area. So we spoke to the ANC national spokesperson, Pulemabi, and this is what he had to say.
From what we understand, it has been transferred to a higher court out in Pietermaritzburg, and we expect that they will act and move with speed to make sure that justice could ultimately be felt and realized on this specific matter. More so because you want to make closure. So keeping it lingering for too long might on its own fit into these other perceptions.
And you also spoke to a close friend to the late Magaqa.
A person that has been very vocal since the day that Sindiso was shot and up to the day that when he succumbed to his injuries, that was Thabiso Zulu. He also came in court. We understand that yesterday he issued a statement raising concern about his safety. We understand that for the past few months he has been raising concern that his life is also in danger because some of the documents that were alleging corruption in that municipality that Sindiso Magaqa had are apparently now in the position of Thabiso Zulu. But this is what Thabiso had to say today.
We are very angry. We believe that the time of the courts are being wasted. The courts are being turned into circus. We also believe that people that are having money are buying time so that witnesses are going to forget what they saw, what they know. People are buying time so that witnesses may disappear or witnesses may die, as it has happened in other cases. We are having a historical memory. We know what happened in the case of Scottburgh. We know what happened in the case of Wandile Mkhize. Those who have forgotten must go to the archives, to the legal archives, and see how these delays cost justice. As you know, justice delayed is justice denied.
All right, Tuba, thank you for that update.